Okay, rebound by Kirby. Kirby to Bautista. Bautista, no good. Rebound by Dominic. Okay, Dominic to Pascual. No good by Pascual. Okay, rebound by Eric. No good. Okay, Jobs. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si CM, binalik kay Jobs. Okay. Sayang, nice pass sana. Running time tayo, ha? Okay, no good. By Teo. Okay, sayang. Dominic, no good. Rebound to Edwin. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Baswell, no good. Okay, nakuha ni Baswell, nakuha ni Erin. Five seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Okay, still. Okay, no good. Now. Oh. Okay, no good by Baswell. Rebound by Jobs. Jobs. Okay, good, good. Walang tawa. To Edwin. Edwin, AC2. Okay. Kirby to France. France to Jobs. Pinasa kay Kirby. Kirby. Sayang na intercept. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. 3 points by France. Hanapin mo lang yun, Jobs. Parang money trio. Okay, Jeff. Nice drop to Baswell. To Dominic. 7 seconds. Nakita si Edwin. Nice turnaround. Umalong lang. Wala pa yung dalawa. Munti ka na. Okay, nakakuha ni Jobs. Foul muna. 4 minutes, 11 seconds. Patay ang lamok. Running time tayo, ha? Okay, foul down, foul. Okay. Nakita si Bautista. Bautista, no good. Good daw, good, sabi. Rebound by France. France nagmamadali. Idediretso, ipapasa. Pinasa. Nakita si CM. To France. France, no good. Rebound by Kirby. Okay, nice rebound by Sir Silas. 3-2, 3-2. 3-2. Hindi ko lang na ano. Oras, 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Running time. Jobs. 2. Okay, foul down. CM. Nice! Pero no good. Good, good, good. Okay, wait lang. Traveling violation. Nilakad kasi ni Erin. Dito bola. Nilakad. Okay. Okay, sorry. Pasabi po kasi dito, Sir CM. Wait lang. Labas muna. Okay. Hindi kasi nagtawag eh. Isasabihin niyo po kung traveling, ha? Okay, game. Okay, to dominate. Dominic, steal by Kirby. Nice hustle by Kirby. Kirby to CM. Okay, CM. Oh, sayang. Pero nakuha ni France. Score 5-2. Time remaining 2 minutes 28 seconds. Tatlo lang po ang hinahabol, ha? Okay, Erin. Nakita si Edwin. Edwin. Okay, steal by Kirby. Ang dami mo ng steal. Sayang. Okay, foul. Tumawag daw. Tumawag ka ba, pre? Okay, late call. Sige. Patawag po agad para ano, 1 minute 49. Okay, good, good. Pasabi na lang po agad kung may tawag. Nice pass, Baswell. 2 points. Score 5-4. Mababa lang po ang scoring. Okay, foul down. 1 minute 19 seconds. France. Okay, game. 1 minute 14 seconds. Nice. Fifty-six seconds. Okay, no good. Rebound by Jab. Last 50 seconds. Okay, blocking. 45.5 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay, 7-4, 38 seconds. Okay. Bola nila Jeff, ha? Okay, nice steal. Pushing foul. 33 seconds, 14 to shoot. 33 seconds, 14 to shoot. Last 28 seconds to dominate. Last 20 seconds. Okay, steal by Erin. Okay, foul. 15.3 seconds, 14 to shoot. 15.3 seconds, 14 to shoot. Baswell, 2 points. 12.9 seconds, 12.9. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, counted. 9-6. Bola nila Jeff. Jeff, inyo bola. Score 9-6. Bola po nila Jeff. Dami mo steal, ah. Okay, wait lang, ah. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay, game, ha? Okay. Edwin, no good. Rebound by Erin. Erin, nakita si Dominic. Dominic, quick three, no good. Okay, jump. Okay, blocking, pinansalubong yung balikat. Wow! 11, 6. Good yun, good. Diniretso niya eh. Diniretso niya, hindi siya tumigil. Good, good, good. Okay, no good. 6 minutes, 5 seconds. Pag diniretso, ibig sabihin nun, let go yung foul. Five minutes, 54 seconds, 14 to shoot. Okay, France, libre. 2 points by France. Score 6-13. Okay, Erin. To Jeff. Jeff, nice pick. Okay, foul over the back. No good. Okay, kuha ni Kirby. Nice D by Jeff. Pinasa kay CF. CF, 2 points. Score 6-15. Okay, Jeff. 3 points by Teo. 9-15. Okay, binasa. Nakita. CM. Boss, ginamit lang yung katawan para magkaroon ng space. Hindi niya ginalaw yung binte. Hindi niya ginalaw yung binte.
It's not big.
Game. Ginawa lang yung katawan for separation. 3 points. 9-18. Okay lang gumamit ng katawan, huwag nilang igalaw yung paa. Okay, good good. Okay, 2 points by Pascual. 11-18. Huwag kayo mapoprostrate, dikit lang ang laban. 11-18. Two. France. No good. Rebound by. Nice hustle by Kirby. Tumira. CM. No good. Good. Nice pass. Erin. Four minutes, 42 seconds, 14 to shoot. Edwin. Oh, nice rebound by Sir CM. Pito lang po ang inahabol ng Team Jet. Bawal po yun pag wala kayo sa depensa. Huwag nyo. Okay. Good now, good. Good. Okay. Reaching foul. Kailangan nyo na magpaka-compose. Mahirap pagkalaban nyo, sarili nyo. Nice, Edwin. Nice pump. Oh, sayang. 3 minutes, 47 seconds, 14 to shoot. Edwin, no good. Nice rebound by Bautista. Okay, good, good. Hoy, blanca. Bolang-bola yun, ha? Bolang-bola. Uy, yun lang. Good po yan, ha? Good. Good. Walang tawag si Kirby, ha? Good. Good po. Baswell, no good. Okay, same ball. Last touch si Bautista. Same ball. Last touch si Bautista. Same ball. Okay, 3 points. 14-18. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Apat ang nahabol. To Bautista, pinasa kay. Okay, nakita, libre-libre. 7 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Jobs. Score 14-20. 6 lang po yan. Nakukuha na ng Team Jeff. Depensa lang. Okay, nice rebound by France. Nice. Easy 2. 14-22. Okay, foul. 14-22. Hindi, good. 16-22. 6 na po ang hinahabol, ha? 6 na. Okay, France. Binabantayan ni Baswell. Magtatangka ba to? Okay. Okay, 2 points. 18-22. One minute, 11 seconds. Okay, dito bola, tumama sa ring. Dito bola, tumama sa ring. Dito po bola, tumama sa ring. Out of bounds, dito bola. Labas lang po na po, labas lang. Tumama po sa ring, binato. Dito ang bola. Wala. 18-24. Pinalabas ka lang niya. Hindi mo dapat binigay. 18-24, 57 seconds. All fouls, meron ng free throw. Nakikis-kisan tayo kaya hindi pwedeng sobrang nipis. Okay, 3 points. 21-24, tatlo lang, ha. No need to foul, ha. No need to foul. Wait lang, wait. Pre, para hindi kayo matawagan ng contact, establish nyo muna yung defense. Once na gumalaw kayo nang wala sa lugar. 33.9. Free throw, dalawa. 33.9. Okay, no good. Ta-time out pa kayo, Jeff? Jeff, ta-time out kayo? Okay, wala ha? Time out pag sumut. Okay, last touch si Baswell. Okay, steal. Sayang. "30 seconds ha. 14 to shoot. Free throw, dalawa. 18.8. Oh. Basta pag nakuha nila, ta-time out. Okay. $18.8. Pag nakuha niyo yan, time out daw. Okay, time out. Team Jeff. Score 21-25. 18.8. Naka-advance na po sila. 18.8 seconds. 14 to shoot. "17 seconds. Okay, foul. Free throw, dalawa. Okay, 2 free throws. 2 free throws, Sir Edwin. 2 free throws. May isang timeout pa po ang Team Jeff ha. May timeout pa ng isa. First shot, no good. Okay, second shot. 22-25. Okay, foul. 2 free throws. Isa pa. Secure nyo ha pag hindi sumut para ma-activate yung timeout nyo. First shot is good. Okay, last shot. Time out. Wait lang wait. Okay, game. 12.5 ha, 12.5. 10.5. 4 seconds. Okay.